Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. Well, it's Rita. I'm so lost today. I'm alone because Fortunate is home. Yeah, she's home. She went to prepare for my sister's visitation day. They have a visitation at school on Sunday. Yeah, we have a sister who is in Form 4, a candidate. So she was like, why not? I took her to school at the beginning of the term. So why wouldn't she take her why wouldn't she go and she visits her on video since I did the beginning part? Yeah, that's how we do it anyway. So guys, I'm back with another video. I'm just here hungry. I guess it's midday. Yeah, it's midday. I woke up at 5 a.m. to work. Yeah, so I worked and I got tired. Then I was like, let me nap. I napped and I woke up at 10, I guess. I'm not so sure. I think 11. Had a shower, finished everything. So today I decided to stay indoors. Yeah, I decided to stay indoors. And now I feel hungry and I haven't had breakfast since morning. I don't feel like bread. So I'm going to prepare some spaghetti because yesterday I bought some avocado. Being alone, like if you're not used to being alone, sweetheart, it's so boring. Like food is so boring, but I'm going to try to do it. Yeah, so I'm going to prepare some spaghetti. So I was like, why don't I bring these guys along? It's been a minute, like it's been a while, guys. We are really sorry from the bottom of our hearts, but we are going to try to keep it up to you guys. Honestly speaking, I don't know, but these days we are super busy. We are so tied up with a lot of things. But we're going to keep trying to create a content for you. So come along with me and we prepare something to eat because it's midday. It's coming to 1. Yeah, so I'll just have it as lunch. Let me ignore the breakfast because I don't even want the bread. It's the only thing that is in the house like I can have for breakfast. So why not? Why not, guys? So guys, guess what? I'm here and oh my god. Look at this tomato. Looking horrible, honestly speaking. Yeah. It's looking horrible. I guess a cockroach beat it up. You guys, we have cockroaches. Like we try to spray them and they get lost, then they come back. I don't know what we should do, honestly speaking. I don't know, but I feel so sorry for myself. So these are the tomatoes. These ones are fine, but then it's so weird. So we normally keep them here, even there is one extra here. I'm short. I can just see it by camera. I didn't know that it was even there. We store them up there so that I thought personally that there are no cockroaches, like there are not many. Yeah, that's what I used to think. I thought there are not many. Yeah. Because look where we used to keep them. Literally here is where we used to keep the tomatoes with the onions, the garlic, the lemon. So guys, this is posho. Ugali in Kenya. Kenyans call it ugali. Yeah, we have run out of food. Literally run out of food. I'm not going to lie. We rarely cook. Yeah, we're just lazy, but soon we have to do some stocking. This ugali has been here since January. You can imagine. I'm personally not a ugali person. I prefer buying matoke, eating matoke. Actually, I'm a matoke girl. Yeah, so yeah, basically this is sugar. So let's pick some onions and cook. Sweethearts, guys, I missed you so much. I've actually realized that I've missed you so much. You guys, look, this thing, I don't know if you know it, in Uganda they call it gobe. Guess what? It's a mom who gave it to us, but look, guys, like it has poured. I think the cockroaches tried to bite them. Guys, I'm tired of these cockroaches, like, to be honest. And I don't think now it's healthy because it has been bitten, Do you think it is? I don't think. These empty bottles, Fortunate like keeping them here. I don't know why. So, let me set up the camera real quick, yeah? Here's the ring light, yeah. So, I'm going to set it up real quick and we start the video. Yeah. Yeah, so let me set up the camera. So guys, these are the spices I'm going to use. Yeah, only onions and tomatoes. The rest, maybe I'm going to use Royco. Yeah, I don't know, but me, I add Royco to my spices. And then this curry powder. I like it so much. Simba. So literally, this is what we are going to use now. This is what we are going to need to cook, to prepare the meal today. Yeah. So oil. So basically that's it. So let's start. Let me wash the tomatoes real quick. I just don't want to move the camera all the time. Yeah. This is the bowl that I'm going to use, like putting the spices when I'm chopping them. So I'm going to be cutting when I'm putting the, let me remove this, taking up space. I'm going to be cutting the I don't want to get in the whole place. I don't know if you guys can see. Should I lower down the stand? Let me try. Yeah, how about there? I think that's better. Not so sure, but I hope so. Yeah. So let's chop this onion. Let's set up the camera well. Okay. This is the gas we have. We don't have a gas cooker. This is what we use to cook literally. Yeah. So I'm going to light the gas and we start cooking. Yeah. So small saucepan because I'm alone. Let's do this. The oil. Not a lot. That's enough. I don't want too much oil. So guys, we are almost there. Yeah. Guys, this is the water. Yeah, water. Okay, like this is the soup for the spaghetti. I'm going to break it down into like, yeah, into two. I don't want it to be so long, honestly speaking. Yeah, so basically let's wait for it to boil and then I add the spags to it. So guys, this is the spaghetti. Yeah, fortune spaghetti. I've never used this. I normally use pasta, but guess what? I want to visit a friend of mine, like a very, very good friend of mine. And she was like, I think you should try out this. I think it's good. Like, actually, she assured me that it was very good. Shout out to Brenda. I'm pretty sure 100% you're going to watch this video. So yeah, what is here is, let me show you. It's peanuts. Yeah. You know, like when you leave it out, we use it to put on bread, like nyewa odi. Yeah. When you leave it just out there, insects come like around and they don't like it. So we decided to put it in a polythene so that it can be safe and to avoid all that drama. Guess what, guys? The water has boiled. So this is the spaghetti. I'm just breaking it into two. I think it would even be, I don't know. So guys, as I wait for the spaghetti, sorry, I always look here instead of looking in the camera. It always happens. I don't know why. Yet I used to be like, those days I used to be so, how should I say, like so serious about it. Like I wouldn't look at a screen, I would look at you guys. So yeah, it's almost getting ready. So I'm like, let me be chopping some avocado. It's actually 1 p.m. I can hear the Muslims, our Muslim brothers and sisters praying. Yeah, at the mosque. Yeah, so it's 1 p.m. Also my phone is accurate actually. So I'm going to chop some avocado because me having spags just like that is so boring. I actually like having it with avocado or maybe liver, maybe. Yeah, so let's do this. So this avocado, I bought it yesterday, but I don't know how it is inside. I hope it's safe because you see all those cuttings. Pray for me, wish me luck, because yeah. So guys, the plate, this is a plate that I'm going to use to eat. So I'm just going to cut directly as I put. I don't know if you guys can see. I hope so. So let's watch the avocado. So guys, let me put them on one side. I'm actually a bit disappointed. Yeah. Salt. I want to add some salt to the avocado to get its taste. I'm even not sure if it's nice or not. I'm telling you. Am I the only one who does this? Let me know if you're my twin and you do these things. Adding salt to the avocado, you know. Yeah, so Done. Let me bring the food because it's ready. Yeah. So now I have to get the camera to show you guys. So guys, this is the spag. These are the spags. I didn't do bad. So tomatoes. I think I'm going to need tomato sauce too. Guess what, guys? The serving spoons are dirty. They are dirty. They're in the sink. I feel so bad. So let me use a fork to serve myself. Yeah. I have nothing to worry about. Okay, let me finish recording after serving myself. Not so, because like I'm just holding it. I'm just holding the camera and I don't want to put it on the stand. So guys, this is the food. Yeah, I didn't do bad. So I'm going to add some tomato sauce on the side, because in case I don't like it, you people, what I don't like about this tomato sauce is its color. Like it's maroonish, like I think that will be enough. Yeah, it will. So, and we are good to go. Let's go have this lunch. Let's dig in. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so hungry. To be honest, I'm so hungry. Farm, here is the food. I'm going to dig in. Join me and we dig in, because yo, I'm pretty sure it's going to be yummy. So guys, please, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, you guys mean the world to me. Like, sparing your time. Thank you for subscribing. Wait, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell and comment down below what you think about this channel. What do you think about this video? Let me know the kind of videos you want to watch on this channel. I'll bring them, I promise. Thank you guys for watching till the end. You guys are the best. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let's meet in the next video. Peace. Love y'all.